Hey y'all, it's James from Storm Master Roofing, and I'm going to take you to Roy's Grill, which has the best breakfast sandwich of 2017 in my book. Right across the street from the post office in Lexington and the Exxon gas station. Place may not look like much, but they've got legit food. And everybody that eats there is super friendly, the staff's super friendly. Come on in, let's check it out.
What's up, bro?
How are you?
I'm blessed.
I like the pork chop biscuit grilled with mayo and sriracha on it. And sriracha.
I like it all. What's your favorite?
Bologna, egg, and cheese.
Really?
Yep. And the owner is nice.
Yeah. What do you usually get?
Fish and grits.
That's right. Corey, how are you?
Good, how you doing, man?
I want the usual, man. You know what I want. A Bid Eddy,
Turkey,
extra bacon.
extra bacon and turkey?
Yeah, the jack cheese.
Jack cheese.
Best sandwich around. What's the Bid Eddy named after?
It's named after his uncle.
Yeah. Roy's Grill is named after his grandfather.
After his grandfather, yes, sir.
And the Bid Eddy is named after his uncle.
Everything starts out with one of these sweet French toast bagels, a fresh egg, and then they smoke their own ham, turkey, bacon. It's amazing. Check out this bacon.
All right, y'all, this is the Bid Eddy sandwich. Look at this thing right here.
Yeah, you told me that the other day.
Oh my God, this bacon, amazing. Look at that. Look at that.
No, they did not.
Meat on there.
Somebody needed to get home.
Wow.
Then lead up
What's the best breakfast in Lexington?
by the door,
Anytime.
the back door of the house.
They needed to get home.
But guess what? They got treated off.
No fingerprints.
Unbelievable. You got the ham, the turkey, the bacon, egg, a little bit of sweetness from the French toast bagel. We can't get anything like that at a fast food restaurant. Unbelievable. And they smoke this turkey themselves. They smoke the bacon themselves. And there's the crunchiness of the bacon, and there's the crunchiness of the grilled French toast bagel. If I come into town to eat breakfast, this is what I eat every day. Good to the last bite. Unbelievable. That's the bomb. Alright, so that's literally the best sandwich you can possibly eat. It is so freaking good. I've never had a breakfast sandwich as good. Roy's Grill here in Lexington. Check it out.